Hello all, welcome to my channel The Games Miniature Toys. Today I am going to unbox Hot Wheels Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. So today's video is very special. I am going to reveal one secret about Hot Wheels, what's going on in market. So if you like my video, do subscribe, share and comment your thoughts on my video so that I can improve my videos and bring much more better videos in future. Let me introduce now to you the Hot Wheels Race Day Edition car, which I am going to unbox. This looks so beautiful. I like the color, and this is the special edition car which is made for sports day. So here you can see the name Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. So I'm going to unbox this today. So special thing about this is a fake car manufactured and being sold in the market. So I'll show you how did I identify this is fake. So if you see, this packaging is very poor quality and print is also not good. So let us open this packet to unveil how to identify the fake one. So let us open. So this is the car out of the box. So very beautifully designed. This has good spoiler, black spoiler, blue color car, and glasses are not transparent. So real car also is like this, but in the real car you can find the doom light or headlight painted. Here you don't have painted headlight, and the main thing, see the chassis. You don't find the Hot Wheels symbol here. There is no Hot Wheels printed, or where this is manufactured they have not mentioned, right? You can see clearly, we can say this is a fake model of the real Hot Wheels car which is being sold in the market. Hope Hot Wheels company will see my video and take necessary steps to stop the fake marketing of the Hot Wheels, because we pay full money and get the Hot Wheels, and if it is duplicate it hurts us. So I didn't notice. After coming from the shop, when I saw at home, I got shocked that this is a fake one after looking at the deeds. But they have manufactured very well. They could have charged less for the fake one, but they charged me the cost of the real Hot Wheels. So let me end this video. Hope you liked the video and got to know how to find the fake Hot Wheels. You don't find the logo here, Hot Wheels logo, or made in Japan, Hong Kong, China, whatever it is make, they have not mentioned. But this looks very real, and this has good weight. They have used metal and plastic. Thank you for watching my video. Let us meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.